Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best light-up piano is probably one of the most innovative ways to learn piano, especially for beginners. These keyboards use illuminated keys to guide you through songs, making learning intuitive and fun. Whether you're a complete novice or have some musical background, the light-up feature provides immediate feedback, helping you understand the notes and rhythms with ease. This video will explore the features and benefits of these keyboards. Number 5. Best Choice 61-Key Electronic Keyboard Piano Set. This electronic keyboard has 61 keys, offering a full range for beginners. It comes with 255 timbres and rhythms, allowing you to explore various sounds. It's perfect for learning and creating music. This set includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a stand, stool, and more, making it an ideal gift for aspiring musicians. They will have everything they need to start playing right away. The keyboard features 3 teaching modes to help you learn. The LCD display and light-up keys assist with reading music. It makes learning fun and easy. Enjoy a great sound experience with the built-in speakers and headphones. The rhythm programmer and music player function help you create your own music. You can easily recreate classic music pieces. You can plug in a USB to play along with your favorite songs. It allows you to add your own melodies or rhythms. This feature enhances your creative possibilities. What we like. This keyboard comes with everything you need to get started, including a stand and bench. It has multiple teaching modes to help you learn. If you're looking for a complete package that includes all the accessories, this is a great choice for beginners. It offers a convenient USB port for playing along with your favorite songs. What people say. The keys light up, if you want them to, when you're playing it or you have the keyboard playing one of its many included songs. It has a follow-along feature that is great. This has pre-recorded songs that teach you how to play 50 popular songs, and the keys light up and let you know what note to hit next. Number 4. Hricane 61-Key Lighted Electronic Keyboard. This 61-key electronic keyboard from Hricane is ideal for beginners of all ages. It's designed to help you learn and play, no matter your skill level. The included keyboard sticker helps you learn the notes. The keyboard boasts 200 tones, 200 rhythms, and 70 demo songs. It also includes teaching modes, recording features, and more. You'll have endless fun exploring all the options it offers. The 61 keys light up, making it easier for beginners to learn. You can use the teaching mode to follow along with the lights. If you don't need the lights, you can turn them off and use it as a normal keyboard. Play chords with one or multiple fingers. The dual keyboard feature lets you play together with someone else. It's a great way to learn and have fun with family or friends. The keyboard measures 76 by 23 by 6 centimeters and weighs 2.5 kilograms. It comes with a microphone, key sticker, USB cable with adapter, and an audio cable. All accessories are included in the box. What we like. This keyboard features lighted keys, perfect for beginners. It offers a variety of functions to keep you entertained. If you're a beginner looking for a keyboard with lighted keys and fun features like dual keyboard mode, this is a great option. It's also compact and portable. What people say. Has many features. There are pre-programmed songs which keys light up so children can follow. Nice features included the built-in metronome, the bender bar, and of course multiple sounds to play around with. Number 3. Vangoa VGK611 61-Key Electric Keyboard for Beginners. This electric keyboard is designed with beginners in mind. It makes learning easy and fun with its lighted keys and 3 teaching modes. It's a great learning partner that guides them from beginner to advanced levels. The keyboard features keys that are perfectly sized for children, made with safe and durable materials. It has a vast sound library with numerous timbres, rhythms, and demo songs to spark their musical curiosity. The large LED screen displays music notes clearly, reducing the need for stickers. It includes features like sustain, vibrato, and recording, helping them learn songs and even compose their own. Made from safe and portable materials, this keyboard is built to last. It has a moderate volume to protect their ears, and an earphone jack for silent practice. It's also easy to take with them anywhere. It comes with a detailed user manual and a 2-year warranty, ensuring you receive the best support. You can rest assured that they will receive the best care. What we like. This keyboard is designed with beginners in mind, making learning fun and easy. It has a considerate design with safe materials. If you're looking for a keyboard that's safe, portable, and designed for kids, this is a great choice. It's also backed by a 2-year warranty. What people say. She uses videos to teach herself how to play. I like the fact that they designed the keyboard white so that the owner can go to town making it theirs with paint or markers or whatever they desire. It's great for that and even has some other features like recording and songs it's already set up to play for you that are beneficial for the same reasons. Number 2. JIKADA 61-key electronic keyboard piano. Introducing the JIKADA 61-key electronic keyboard piano. This full-size keyboard is made of premium materials and features a clear LCD display to show the functions. It's perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. With audio input-output and a microphone jack, you can connect headphones and a microphone. This allows you to practice privately without disturbing others, even late at night. You can fully enjoy the music. The keyboard boasts 255 tones, 255 rhythms, and 50 demo songs. It also includes 61 keyboard percussion options, providing a wide range of sounds and effects. The status memory function allows you to save your settings. This keyboard features 3 powerful teaching modes to guide you step by step. Included note stickers help you learn music theory and key positions more easily. It's designed to make learning fun and accessible. It includes master volume, tempo control, and various chord options. Record and playback functions help you review and improve your performances. It offers a comprehensive set of features for any player. The package includes the keyboard, an X stand, a stool, headphones, a microphone, a music rest, and a power adapter. The stool is foldable for easy storage. This item is not intended for users under 12 years old. What we like. This keyboard has full-size keys for a more realistic playing experience. It offers a wide range of functions to explore. If you want a keyboard with a complete set of accessories and full-size keys, this is a great option. It also includes a stand, stool, and headphones. What people say. The lighted full-size keys are a fantastic feature for beginners. They help guide your fingers during practice sessions, significantly simplifying the learning process. The LCD screen provides clear feedback on your playing, showing chords and notes in an easy-to-understand manner which boosts the learning experience. The built-in speakers produce a surprisingly rich and clear sound, making performances feel more rewarding. Number 1. MUSTAR MEKS 561-key learning keyboard piano. This MUSTAR keyboard is designed for beginners. It features lighted keys and 3 teaching modes to help you learn quickly and improve your skills. It's a great gift for anyone who wants to start playing the piano. With 65 demo songs, 600 tones, and 500 rhythms, this keyboard offers a realistic piano experience. It uses a dream source and includes a sustain pedal for richer sound quality. You'll enjoy the authentic feel of playing. Connect the keyboard to your smartphone or computer via USB MIDI. This allows you to use apps for learning and playing. It also supports various features like auto bass chords and effects. Combine 2 voices together for a richer sound. For example, you can play piano and drums simultaneously. The double keyboard mode splits the keyboard, letting you play different sounds at once. This keyboard has 2 power supply options, adapter and battery. This makes it easy to practice at home or play outdoors. The Super Value Kit includes everything you need to get started. What we like. This keyboard features lighted keys and intelligent teaching modes to help you learn quickly. It also offers a dual voice mode for a richer playing experience. If you're a beginner looking for a keyboard with lighted keys and multiple learning features, this is a great choice. It also includes a sustain pedal and headphones. What people say. It's versatile as it's wonderful for beginner as the keys light up and its LCD screen displays the notes as you play them. You can record and play back your compositions, and it has a MIDI feature that you can use with any recording software as it allows you to record tracks and compose your own sounds or simply keep tabs on your progress if you are a beginner. The keys light up and it sounds good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.